All right, hello, my wonderful students. This is foldable number 1 for section 2.3, slope of a line. This is actually on page 75. I actually wanted to do it in foldable format because I wanted to add a little bit extra stuff so you guys can see. But the main thing we're adding is we're going to have this triangle y, which is going to be our delta y, is equal to the change in y, which is our y2 minus our y1. And then we have our delta x, which is a little triangle again, delta x, which is our change in x, which is our x2 minus x1. And we're going to use those when we're doing the slope. So the first one here we have, move this a little bit here, zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. All right, so the first one here we have line rises from left to right, and we have our graph to what it looks like. So I'm going to use 2 points to kind of illustrate it. Oh, sorry, I had to adjust a little bit. All right, so the line rises from left to right. So I'm going to use the 2 points. Drop my pencil. And the points we're going to use are 2, 2, and -1, -1. So we're going to show this using the equation here. Close this equation here. We're going to show this using the equation of delta y over delta x, which is our equation for a slope, the m, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So if you guys used this before, but we didn't use this terminology of delta y and delta x, so I just want to show you guys that. So for this one, we're going to have our delta y is equal to our y2, which is 2, minus our y1, which is our -1. This is going to be equal to 2 minus a negative makes plus a positive, 3. And then we have our delta x is equal to our x2, 2, minus a -1, which is the same as the top. So we're going to go ahead and plus a positive, make it 3. So now our slope is going to be equal to our slope, which you know we'll do it in green color pen, is going to be equal to our delta y over our delta x, which is equal to 3 over 3. But 3 divided by 3 reduces to 1, or divides to 1. So we'll go ahead and plot our 2 points. So our first point is at 2, 2. And then our next point is at -1, -1. Go ahead and get our handy dandy ruler. And grab that line. So you see here, this rises from left to right, and it's going upwards. And you can see here that our y-intercept is at 0, 0, because that's where it crosses the y here. This is the x. So wherever it crosses the y, it's going to be our y-intercept.